Okay, hello, I'm John from CCRC, and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on this winter. I'm building a KAOS 15, which is just a smaller version of the Breedy KAOS that I believe ran a 60 originally. And I'm building this from plans, and the only thing that makes this different than a normal plans built airplane is I'm cutting everything on a CNC machine that I built myself. So what I did is I downloaded the plans from the internet. I found them on one of the free plan sites, and it came in DXF format, digital drawing exchange format, and I loaded it into a program called V-Carve Pro, and you can see the plans in there. And this is a CAD-Cam program where I'm able to take each piece of the airplane and section it out and create tool paths to actually cut the part out on the machine. And I'll show you how to do a part in a minute. What I've done is I designed the landing gear block in the CAD portion of V-Carve Pro, and here you can see the finished view of what it's going to be. So we're going to use a 1/16 inch bit and a 1/8 inch bit, and we're going to start to cut it out. Alright, so I had the G code loaded up in the controller, and it's starting right here, and I have my piece. So all that's left to do is turn the router on. Okay, well here's our completed landing gear blocks with the lightning holes in them. This is the second one I made, and this is the third one. The first one, the wire groove chipped out because I cut the notch first, drilled the holes second, and it tore out. So what I did was I drilled the holes first and then cut the notch, and the parts came out good. And that's what you end up with, and a little cleanup with a sanding block. Be ready to go into the wing. Okay, so I've got the new landing gear blocks sitting in the wing where they're going to get glued in, and I did a final fit with a little tiny sanding block, and all that's left is to make my reinforcement for the ribs, and I can glue that in and finish sheeting the center section, my last rib sheet, and that'll be done. So it's a little primer on how to build a radio controlled airplane from plans with a CNC router. And once again, I'm John from Central Connecticut Radio Control Club in Farmington, Connecticut.